Welcome to R2 Key Money Mind Road to Rich Financial Tips. Introduction. Hello and welcome to our channel R2 Key Money Mind on finance and family management. Today we will be discussing some important tips and strategies that can help you manage your finances better, as well as create a budget and stick to it. Tip number 1. Set financial goals. The first step to managing your finances is to set clear and specific financial goals. This could include saving for a down payment on a house, paying off debt, or setting up an emergency fund. Whatever your goals may be, it's important to have a plan in place and regularly assess your progress towards achieving them. Tip number 2. Create a budget. Creating a budget is essential to effective financial management. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a month, then categorize your expenses and determine areas where you can cut back. Use a budgeting tool or spreadsheet to help you stay on track with your spending and savings goals. Tip number 3. Establish good habits. Developing good financial habits can go a long way towards helping you achieve your goals. This includes things like regularly reviewing your budget, avoiding unnecessary purchases, and putting any extra income towards your financial goals. Tip number 4. Involve the whole family. Financial management is not just a personal responsibility, it's a family responsibility. Involve your family in the budgeting process and teach them the importance of saving and budgeting. Encourage open communication about finances and work together towards your goals. Tip number 5. Educate yourself. Financial literacy is crucial to effective financial management. Take the time to educate yourself on topics like investing, saving for retirement, and managing debt. Attend workshops or seminars, read financial books or articles, and seek advice from financial professionals when needed. Conclusion. Managing your finances can seem daunting at first, but with the right strategies and tools in place, you can take control of your financial future. Remember to set clear goals, create a budget, establish good habits, involve your family, and educate yourself. Thanks for tuning in to our channel on finance and family management, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support us to produce more informative videos.